guidance of all the members, we will be voting first on the De Jesus impeachment complaint. Thereafter, we will be voting on the Masa et al. Impeachment complaint. For the guidance of everyone, let us all be reminded, both have been declared already as sufficient in form. And our voting this afternoon is on the determination of sufficiency in substance. Before we proceed to voting, the Chair wishes to address the Justice Committee. We recognize the knowledge, expertise, and wisdom of all the members in this extensive and exhaustive deliberation in the De Jesus impeachment complaint and Masa et al. Impeachment complaints determination of sufficiency in substance. The Chair purposely became very liberal in hearing the members' comments and even questions and answers. This is in recognition of the extraordinary power of the sovereign Filipino people to impeach high-ranking official if they are liable to the law. As representative of the sovereign people, we are likewise their voice. And it is incumbent upon this committee to ventilate all possible views and opinions of the people whom we represent. Likewise, the extensive and exhaustive deliberation provided better and wider perspective as we come to the end of our deliberation. Mga kasama, before we vote on the sufficiency in substance of the De Jesus and Masa complaint, the Chair would like to remind everyone of the immense weight of the task at hand of this committee. Sa pagtukoy kung may sapat na substance ang mga reklamong ito, laging kinikilala ng komite ang sound discretion ng bawat miyembro. Your vote must be rooted in your individual appreciation of the facts, the allegations, and the annexes attached to the complaints. Although the rules of procedure on impeachment proceedings state that the requirement of substance is met when there is a recital of facts constituting the offense charge and determinative of the jurisdiction of the committee, huwag nating kalilimutan, impeachment is a sui generis proceeding. It is a class of its own. Hindi lang ito basta legalidad. Ito ay usapin ding politikal at moral. Uulitin ko po, ito ay isa sa pinakamakapangyarihang mandato na ibinigay sa atin ng Konstitusyon. The 1987 Constitution has lodged this power in us, the members of Congress, who are duly elected representatives of the Filipino people. It is our duty to determine whether or not the highest officials of the country have committed acts that are so detrimental to the Filipino people that they deserve to be removed from office. Kaya naman, I urge every member of this committee, vote not out of convenience. Vote with your conscience. Isipin natin ang kapakanan at kinabukasan ng bawat Pilipino. Let us prove that in this hall, the interest of the Filipino people always comes first. Maraming salamat po.
Madam Chair.